And a Hamilton man who is lucky to be alive wants to share his good fortune. 2 weeks after miraculously surviving a serious cycling accident, he wants to spread the message about the importance of wearing a bike helmet. The timing is perfect for Hamilton police, who have launched a program to teach youngsters the rules of the road. CH's Marianne Demain now has more.
John Bile is on the road to recovery. Last month he was hit by a drunk driver while riding this bike. The accident left him with eye problems, a broken leg, abrasions, and whiplash. Today he holds up the bright-colored shirt he was wearing the day he cheated death, but that's not what saved his life.
I'm just totally thankful for the helmet that I was wearing, because without it, I don't think we'd be doing this interview. Just a little bit damaged on the outside here, but inside, might be able to get a better look at this later, but really it's cracked in a number of key places. Just totally saved my life and made it possible for me to speak.
Also possible is the chance for Bile to speak with children about the importance of wearing a helmet, so he can help save lives. What saved John from serious head injury is the fact that he was wearing a helmet similar to this one. And strapping one of these things on is a message authorities are trying to get across to cyclists of all ages. That's why the Hamilton Police Cyclemania Safety Program rounded up some young riders today to educate them about helmets, so like John, they can avoid serious cycling injuries. Instructors say it's a lesson that benefits both two-wheelers and even kids on training wheels. Just take this little rider's words of wisdom.
If we bump our heads with some helmets on, that makes our heads don't hurt.
And off he went. Right now, Bile isn't sure when he'll be hitting the main roads with these young riders, but he does plan to visit the schools to tell his story. Marianne Demain, CH News.